all the way. What fun it is to ride a horse open sleigh. What's up, guys? So it's Monday morning. I should be going to work later, but as you guys know from the previous video, I got a fucking state ref, guys, and it sucks. So I've already talked to my supervisor, my manager, whatever you want to call it, at work. And so I'm not going to go in today because it's just going to be a big old hassle for me to borrow someone's car in my family. So I'm taking the day off, and tomorrow morning I'm going to go to the court and see if I can, you know, make a payment plan to just pay it off. That's my goal. That's my plan right now, guys. Just like you guys, if you never got a state ref, you wouldn't know what to do either. That's how I feel. I don't know what to do, but that's a lot of what my friends are telling me, including my friend at Lost Motorsports. So that's kind of just something that I guess I'm gonna do, guys. I'm just gonna go see if I can just pay it all in one time. But obviously, I'm gonna see if I can get a payment plan too, because your boy is broke. So by that being said, like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos so I can get some dollars. Anyways, so today, my friend's gonna come over, Daniel's gonna come over, I think, to buy my other NRG seat that's right over there. And then right now, I'm actually gonna go look under the car, because like I told you guys, like, you guys know I just switched exhaust to the Q300, and it shouldn't be loud. So there's a leak, and I knew that this whole time. Well, not the whole time. I knew the whole time Saturday when I was leaving Skunk 2, I knew that there was a leak because it sounded stupid loud. So that's what I'm going to go do right now. I'm just going to go in my garage and look under my car and see if I can see a leak or a crack or something. Because it's weird. Like, a Q300 is freaking quiet, and so there has to be a leak. So let's go do that right now and just wait for Daniel to get off of work. He should be off of work, I'm looking at the clock right now, in about an hour or two, maybe 3. So after that, I'm going to go... I want to drive my car, guys, to go get my exhaust leak fixed, but that's kind of sketch. So if I do, I'm obviously going to take you guys along, so that way, because I need something to post. Because without my car, I don't know what I'm going to post. So let's go look under the car. Alright, guys, we are now in my garage. And just seeing this car in here, guys, makes me so sad that I can't drive, because it's already 10 o'clock. I would have already been at the gym or done at the gym by now, eating something, having my normal day, high off of this weekend, because this weekend was so fucking awesome. And I can just look at this car and know that I can't even freaking drive it, guys. Like, this is insane. And I don't know, guys, if I touched up much on the video before this about the whole state ref situation, but the thing that he argued with me the most is about the breather that I have on the car, and it's stupid. It's not, I don't know, you guys comment down below if that's something that a cop would have to talk to you guys about or have to bring up, because that's stupid. I don't know, guys. And then he got me about the intake, which is carb legal, I guess it is, after talking to my friend at Lost Motorsports. But to be honest, guys, I don't know why he didn't get me from my manifold or like my fuel rail, or like, I don't know, I just don't get this whole situation, guys. Like, honestly, I feel like the cop was such a dick to me, and I don't know if I'm just complaining or if that's how just shit is, but I know I'm complaining, guys, but I just don't know, like, I don't know, guys. It just sucks so much, guys. Like, this weekend was really awesome to me. I felt good doing this whole Skunk 2 thing this weekend, and then this happens, like, and I'm not even boosted. Like, usually you see boosted cars getting pulled over and state refed and all that stuff, and I'm not even boosted, guys. Like, it sucks, dude, but... let me stop complaining. Let me set you guys up down here so we can look at the exhaust together. Well, as you guys know, I don't work on my car in my own garage, and I can't even fit under here, so that sucks. Yep. Well, that was a dud. I even laid out a carpet down here, or a piece of, I don't know, some type of plastic shit so I can lay on. Some kind of comforter, some shit. I don't know what it's called. Anyways, guys, I guess that, I don't know. This sucks, guys. Like, honestly, it was gonna be Sunday probably that I was gonna install the short shifter that I got not that long ago. And it's sad because I really wanted to do it, but whatever. So I guess I'll just have to wait now, and I guess we can just talk or something. Okay, guys. Ooh. I almost dropped my camera there. Alright guys, so honestly, like I'm telling you guys, I don't know what to do about it. I already have the plan of what I'm doing, which is going to the court tomorrow. But I don't know. I'm talking. I want to talk to somebody to see if I want to get everything situated. Like if I can't drive the car at all, or if I can just drive it to a shop to get fixed. So yeah, there's like a lot of questions that I need understanding of, and I'm sure it would probably benefit a lot of you guys if I was able to get these questions answered for myself and for everyone else. So that's what I'm doing. I'm on the phone with them. When you get your ticket, let me see if I can focus. Oh yeah, so it comes with the number somewhere right here. I think it's right there. And that's where you schedule your state referee inspection for your car. But I want to just understand, like, if I'm not able to drive it, like, at all, or like what, because when I was talking to the cop on Saturday morning, he told me that I can't be driving it around, like, to shows and stuff, and I'm like, that's kind of my life, bro. And so, yeah, so, like, I kind of want to get an understanding from me and my family of what I can't do and what I can do with it. So, yeah. This sucks, guys. And my estimated time to talk to somebody was 15 minutes. So I'm not going to bore you guys sitting here talking to you guys for 15 minutes. So I'll catch up you guys once they pick up the damn phone. For now, I'm just going to watch some YouTube videos like I always do. So, yeah.
We'll be bringing in, it's different than a sign-off process. So it's not an officer that will be looking over the vehicle. It's going to be a state referee, whom is a technician, to confirm those modifications of the vehicle have been properly corrected. And it doesn't go through a sign-off process with the referee. It goes through a certification process. So if it goes through the inspection and it passes, we will assist you in certifying the vehicle.
Okay. Well, I mean, the two questions that I kind of have are kind of easy, and I think you would maybe be able to answer them. I wasn't too sure, like, you know, who, like, on the numbers, like, who would I talk to, who would I be directed to. But I only have like two questions at the moment that I want to be answered. And it's just if I'm able to drive my car to work, and because I know the officer said I can drive it to the shop to get it fixed, you know, put back to normal, whatever. And so my question is if I was able to drive it to work.
So that I do not have the answer to. We are not a part of the ticketing agency. The only guidance I really have on that, I know on the ticket sometimes it will have a sticker that it has to be taken off of the roadway and brought into compliance.
Yeah.
I think that's more of a definition of if you continue operating a vehicle that's out of compliance and you don't fix it, kind of how the officer stated, you want to first fix it, take it to a shop wherever you may need to, bring it into compliance, and then by definition the vehicle can be operated because it's back into compliance. So ultimately you don't want to continue driving a modified vehicle because you can be subject to additional ticketing.
Yeah. Okay.
So ultimately, to get that question fully answered, I would call the Superior Court, who's processing the ticket. So wherever the vehicle's ticket is being processed, you'd want to call the Superior Court.
So I stayed on the line for 15 minutes with the number that I showed you guys on the back of the ticket, and I basically didn't really get anywhere. At least I kind of have the understanding of if I were to go the stock route, then there's some prices that they were able to give me on the fees of, like, say for emissions, it would be like $8 or something like that to do that whole test, to basically smog it and do all that stuff. And then he kind of explained about the whole loud exhaust thing, if I were to fix it, like I said. So this is all the answers that he gave me if I were to fix it and go back to stock and then take it to get inspected. So those are that's who I called, basically. That's the number for the people that do the inspections, appointments and all that stuff, which is obvious because it says on there. So I just wanted to call it to get a better understanding. And so yeah, basically for emissions, like smog and all that good stuff, I guess it's an $8 fee. He said for a loud exhaust fee, it would be like $100 for them to test it and all that stuff. So that's about around $108. No, I think 116 or something like that. So that's that. And then there's another one that I got was tinted windows, which is not through them or something like that. But I think I can get that easily signed off, like if I went that route, of course. But so far my plan is to wake up in the morning and go to the court here by my house where it's issued to or whatever, and see if I can talk to them. And then because the way that I want to go right now is just get it paid off fully. That way I can get back to doing what I gotta do. But I don't know, I'm probably gonna fall on my face, guys, and just go to the stock route and never come do it again. But yeah, this sucks, guys. This sucks a lot. Anyways, so I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit once my friend comes over to buy my seat. Alright guys, so I just called the police department here in Moreno Valley, and they're gonna talk to me about the situation, so that way they can help me out to see if I'm still able to drive to work or not. But I kind of don't think I can drive to work. So let me get back to this phone call and I'll talk to you right afterward. Alright guys, so fast forward maybe about an hour or two. Daniel should be coming over, and then he's gonna buy that seat that I told you guys about. And I honestly don't feel like driving my car around the block to go get the muffler fixed or the exhaust fixed or situated, whatever. I don't know, guys. I'm just so bummed. I don't know what to do anymore. Don't you guys hate those friends that they're loud as fuck when they come by and they don't even have to tell you that they're here because you already hear them? That's what this guy is all the time. All the damn time. Turn that car off, right sir? Right sir? Loud as ox. Fuck you. Alright, so I guess we are gonna go get my exhaust fixed or welded, whatever. Here, hold on, you gotta hear this cold start for me, man.
Get me off your fucking vlog, man.
Wow, no. Put that down, fool.
Doesn't sound that bad.
Alright guys, so that was a cold start after, I think, 2 days? Yeah, no, 1 day. 1 full day of not driving. I don't know. It sounded really ugly, but it doesn't sound ugly right now. But I just want to go get it taken care of anyways, because that's one of the many things that I want to get off of my list of things to do. Back here at Espinosa Muffler Shop, and I'm going to pull in my car in right now so we can get it looked at. Here you go. Ugh. So we got the car up and we're gonna check for that leak. I think it's coming from either right here or right here. Sorry, I'm trying to go fast before he starts it. I don't want to be under. But yeah, I think it's from those 2 spots. But we're gonna fill it right now. Yep, found it right here, right there. Ooh. I knew it, guys. I knew I wasn't crazy. So that dick cop pulled me over when I was vulnerable. Alright guys, so there it is. We fixed my problem for now. I have a feeling that it's going to end up breaking again, and we're just probably going to have to replace that whole flange because it's fucked up. So that's kind of pretty much it for this vlog. I'm done. I'm not driving my car anymore, and you're going to go back home, and I'm going to go back home and go cry in my room until this nightmare is over. But anyways, guys, I'll talk to you guys in the next vlog. Peace out. Alright guys, so before I do end the video, I just wanted to say thank you to Espinosa Muffler Shop. You guys are super close, and you guys are always there for me when I need you. And also, I wanted to thank you guys for saying nothing but nice things in the comment section of yesterday's video when I talk about my state ref and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm feeling better about it, guys. Thank you. Like, to be honest, you got everything that you guys are telling me in the comments is all, you know, I'm reading everything, you guys. So I love when you guys comment, you know, things like that. So yeah, guys. So honestly, there's nothing more than I can say today besides you guys saw me get some information on the whole state ref situation, and I fixed my exhaust leak. And yeah, and it's Monday, guys, so you know what tonight's gonna be, another episode of Honda Vlogs, and I can't wait. Christian, thank you very much, man, for You know, sending me some positive comments down here in my comment section. So thank you very much, man. You do a lot for us in the Honda community, and I can't wait till another episode of Honda Vlogs. With that said, guys, peace out, guys, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. I'm not too sure when, but I'm gonna have a lot of content coming because I got a state ref to take care of and some installs probably. So let's just see where this takes me, guys. Peace out, and thank you once again.